Hello and welcome. Today we're going to be looking at the recommended textbooks for you to prepare for your JAMB. Okay, let's start from bottom up. Today, let's look at English language practice in spoken English for intermediate and advanced learners by Atta M.O. New Oxford Secondary School Course Book 6 for senior secondary schools by Banjo. Okay, oral English for schools and colleges. I want to pick out the one that is very common. Okay, okay, okay. So you can see here, intensive English for senior secondary school. 3. Intensive English is one of the most popular English textbooks. Also check out practicing lexic structure and idiom because lexic and structure is one of the major aspects of your English language. Okay, so let's move forward. Let's look at geography and see they have a certificate physical and human geography. And for me, apart from the books that are given on this from your JAMB syllabus for this year 2021, you understand. But believe me, essential textbooks like essential geography, comprehensive, all those textbooks are done in such a way that it follows just the exams. But sometimes when you come to this place, you don't see them. You understand? That doesn't make them not good for your preparations. You understand? So textbooks that are very straight to the point in terms of covering your syllabus and even checking out some questions from your past questions are essential. And some exam focus, some comprehensive textbook, especially for mathematics. If you're preparing for mathematics, comprehensive is very, very good. So this is CRS, exam focus, Christian religious knowledge, very good. So you can just pick out that one. Yeah, I'm not going to list all because once I see a very good one, I'll just encourage you to just pick that one and leave the rest so that you don't waste your time. Okay, agriculture, countdown to senior secondary certificate examination. Um, think comprehensive certificate agriculture. So okay, that countdown might just be good for it. So mathematics finally. Uh, okay, new general mathematics book SS1 to 3. That used to be the go-to textbook for mathematics, at least when I was studying. But like I told you, for your mathematics, comprehensive will give you what you want. For that one, I'm so sure about it. Yes, because I use it to teach and it's very interesting. So new general mathematics for West Africa is 1 to 3 is good. Further mathematics is also very good. You know, mathematics for JAMB involves some aspects of further mathematics. So you have to do that. Then economics, exam focus is good. Essentials in economics, that's what I use for my in teaching, is incredible. So check out these other ones, success in economics and the rest, okay? Even countdown. I know countdown is also good in economics. Okay. For commerce, essentials in commerce, that's what I used to, but you can check out commerce for West Africa and these rest textbooks that are here. For government, essentials of government for West Africa, that's going to be excellent. And I'm happy that they are using Essentials as the number 1 textbook for government here. Because Essentials, the makers of Essentials, those dudes are good. They're very good, okay? Then biology, modern biology is the it. Modern biology, because it has, like, descriptively, it is one of the best in terms of biology. So I encourage you to check out that. New for physics, new school physics is something else, okay? When I was growing up, we are using OKKPN and Anyakoa, senior secondary school physics. That used to be the it. But new school physics, my brothers and sisters, you have to use that textbook. We also checked out Nekon and Parker while growing up. We used it too. Uh, but I encourage you to use new school physics. It's wonderful. It's wonderful. Just like in chemistry, I will encourage you to use Ababio, Ose Yo Ababio. That's the H for chemistry. This is chemistry. You can see new school chemistry. That's even the number one. Ababio. That's what you have to use. There's also essentials, very good, but Ababio is the best chemistry textbook for a very long time. When we're in secondary school, Ababio used to be the best. Until now, it is still the best. And finally, and most importantly, let's go to literature. I'm supposed to make a special video for literature because literature books, you just have to know about it. And so literature, I'm supposed to make a special video about literature. So sorry, I actually divided this for drama and the rest of them, but I found out that the book listing is the same for all the genres. Okay, so for literature, African drama, you're supposed to read Harvest of Corruption by Frank Egodo Ubeche. And for non-African drama, you're supposed to read Othello by William Shakespeare. William Shakespeare, like I told you guys, like very rich, incredibly rich novels and artwork. You just have to start reading him. If you're gonna be doing literature and doing things in arts, William Shakespeare is the man. You understand? Then for prose, African, we are reading Faceless by Ahmad Dakar. And for non-African, we're reading Native Song by Richard Wright. Okay. For poetry, Africa, we're looking at Vanity by Birago Diop and Ambush by Bemisola Adeoti, Piano and Drums by Gabriel Okara, The Dining Table by Barnabam Hollowell, The Panic of the Growing Older by Larry Peter, and The Anvil and the Hammer by Kofi Awono. Then for non-African poetry, we are checking out Crossing the Bar by Alfred Tennyson, The Pulley by George Herbert, The Schoolboy by William Blake, and The Proud King by William Morris. Okay, so these are the selected novels, poems, and African and non-African plays that you're supposed to read in order for you to prepare for the JAMB. And like this literature works are always going to be there for some time. So as a student, even if you're in SS1, you're supposed to start reading all these. Okay, so what are the kind of textbook that you're gonna need, like Bemisala's Naked Soul and the Penguin Book of English Verse by Hayard, New Poetry from Africa by Johnson, and the rest of them. Okay, critical text, we are talking about A Grocery of Literary Terms by Abrams, A Dictionary of Literature by Emma Abba, An Understanding on Sin and Introduction to English Poetry, an English Novel for Overseas Student by Murphy. Okay. You also have a selection of African poetry by Saint Nanu and poems of Black Africa by Wole Soyinka. Okay, so check this out. Check this out. Literature, very importantly, these are the texts that you're supposed to study for literature. We have for African drama, you have Harvest of Corruption by Frank Obeche, uh, non-African Othello by William Shakespeare, prose and Faceless, African prose by Faceless by Amadakar, and non-African prose Native Song by Richard Wright. Then a couple of poetries. So get to start studying with all these textbooks and check out our website www.educateafricans.com. There we're trying to make Africans to get the right information, the right knowledge to move forward. And that's about it. That's about it. And keep hooked up to our channel, Tclassified.com. If you like what we're doing, hit the subscribe button immediately and click on the bell icon so that anytime we upload all these useful videos, you're going to be the first to see them. And when you see such videos and you like them, click the like button and share them to your social media platforms so that your friends and families, they can see them and make use of them. See you when I see you. Thank you and God bless you.